Hello everyone. Today we will discuss on these questions, and after discussion we will focus on our next topic, trees in danger, from the chapter The Story of Amrita. What is the question? See, is there a place near your house, school, or along the roadside where trees have been planted? And the answer is yes. There are a number of trees planted in a park near my house and school. The next question, why were they planted there? Uh, Here in this question, they stands for trees. Okay, now see the answer. All the trees have been planted for shade and fresh air. They also make the surrounding green and beautiful. Next question. Have you seen anyone taking care of the trees? Who does this? Yes, I have seen a gardener who takes care of all the trees planted in the gardens and parks. Next, have you seen fruits on any of the tree? Who eats these fruits? Yes, some of the trees bear fruits in particular seasons. Animals like monkeys, birds, etc. eat those fruits. Now see the next. Lalita feels that grass and small plants growing near her school wall have not been planted by anyone. Do you know of any place where grass, small plants, or trees are growing on their own without being planted by anyone? Yes, in forest, I have seen small plants, trees are growing on their own. No one is going to plant them. Okay, now the next. Why do you feel they are growing on their own? Because no one planted those grass and small trees. Many plants, trees and grass grow on their own in nature. Now let us focus on the next topic, trees in danger. Time went by. Amrita was grown up. One day, she went to greet her trees. She saw that there were some strangers in her village. They had access with them. They said that the king had sent them to cut trees for wood. Now see what happened. Time went by. समय ऐसे ही जा रहा था. Amrita was grown up now. अब अमृता बड़ी हो गई. And one day, as she went to greet her trees, greet her friends, it was her routine. Every day she was going to meet the trees and to greet them. Okay. And that day also she went. But what happened that day? She saw few new people, strangers, new people in the village, and what they had in their hands? They had axes. Axes for what? To cut down the trees. See here in the picture, you can see the axes. See the picture of axe. Okay, dear. And for what they want to cut? By the order of king, they came there and they just want to cut down the trees for building the king's palace. Okay? King का पैलेस बनाने के लिए किंग के ऑर्डर पर वो लोग वहां आए थे ट्रीज को कट करने के लिए. The wood was needed for building the king's palace. Amrita was shocked. She went to the tree that the men were about to cut. After hearing this, Amrita was shocked. She surprised that how can anyone cut the tree for his personal need. So simply she went to the tree where the men were about to cut. She put her arms around the tree and hugged it tightly. See in this picture you can see how she hugged tightly to the tree. The man shouted and threatened her. वो इंसान उस पर चिल्लाए, वो पर्सन्स उस पर चिल्लाए, उसको धमकी दी. बट अमृता डिड नॉट लेट गो ऑफ द ट्री. लेकिन अमृता ने इस ट्री को ऐसे ही नहीं छोड़ा. द किंग्स मैन हैड टू फॉलो हिज ऑर्डर. बट उन लोगों को तो किंग का ऑर्डर फॉलो करना था. दे हैड टू कट द ट्री. किसी भी हाल में उनको वो ट्री कट करना ही था. ऑन सीइंग दिस, Amrita's daughters and hundreds of villagers, old and young, hugged the trees to protect them. अब ये सारा सीन देखकर अमृता की डॉटर्स, कुछ विलेजर्स, यंग वंस, ओल्ड वंस सब आए. यंग पीपल, ओल्ड पीपल सभी वहां पर आए और उन्होंने भी वही किया जो अमृता ने और उसकी लड़कियों ने किया था. See in this picture how they had hugged the trees. Okay? Many people, including Amrita and her daughters, died to save the trees. And what happened? The persons who came there to cut the trees, what they did? They killed these persons also. When the king heard of this, he could not believe that people gave their life for trees. जब किंग को ये बात पता चली तो he couldn't believe on himself कि लोग पेड़ों के लिए अपनी जान भी दे सकते हैं. He visited the village himself. There he learned about villagers' respect for trees and animals. वो खुद उस विलेज पर गया, वो किंग वहाँ पर उसने विजिट किया और उसने एक चीज वहाँ पर सीखी. क्या सीखा? कि विलेजर्स का रिस्पेक्ट, किस तरह से वो ट्रीज को और एनिमल्स को रिस्पेक्टफुली ट्रीट करते थे. नाउ few questions. Do you remember what the elders of this village used to say? See, the answer is here. Yes, the elders of this village used to say, plants and animals can survive without us, but we cannot survive without them. क्या बोलते थे इस विलेज के एल्डर्स? कि हम तो प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स के बिना बिल्कुल सरवाइव नहीं कर सकते हैं. ऑन द कॉन्ट्ररी, प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स कैन सरवाइव विदाउट अस. प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स हमारे बिना सरवाइव कर सकते हैं, लेकिन हम बिल्कुल नहीं कर सकते. नाउ द सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, डू यू थिंक वी कुड सर्वाइव इफ देयर वर नो ट्रीज एंड नो एनिमल्स? डिस्कस in your class. No, we cannot, because trees gives us oxygen to breathe and food to eat. Now, next topic. Village is protected. The villagers' strong feelings for trees affected the king greatly. अब क्या हुआ? विलेजर्स के जो स्ट्रॉन्ग फीलिंग्स थे ट्रीज के लिए, इसका अफेक्ट किंग पर हुआ. And what he ordered? He ordered that from then on, no one would be cut and no tree would be cut and no animal would be harmed in that area. And from that day, king ordered that not a single tree would be cut and not a single animal would be harmed in that area. Which area, dear? Khejadli village. Even today, almost 300 years later, the people of this area called Bishnois continue to protect plants and animals. बेटा बिश्नोई मीन्स ये एक पर्टिकुलर ग्रुप है लोगों का जो अपने एनवायरमेंट को सेव करते हैं. ये लोग, इन लोगों ने अपना पूरा लाइफ इसी में स्पेंड किया है. टुमारो आई विल सेंड यू वन वीडियो, देन यू विल कम टू नो द मीनिंग ऑफ बिश्नोइज. ओके, नाउ सी. Even though in the middle of the desert, this area is green and animals roam freely without fear. अब ये जो एरिया है खेजड़ली विलेज, ये इन द मिडल ऑफ डेजर्ट है, डेजर्ट एरिया आपको पता है, फिर भी ये बहुत ग्रीन है और यहाँ पर एनिमल्स विदाउट एनी फियर बहुत ही फ्रीली रोम करते हैं. नाउ on our next topic we will discuss tomorrow. Till then, bye bye. Have a nice day.